Hi guys, Uncle Mike here from Clearview in Melbourne. Today I just want to show you our Clearview original mirrors. They're a big mirror, they give you a huge amount of vision. When you're towing, you simply slide them out and they come with power fold. They have electric adjustment, they have indicators on the side. You can have blind spot monitoring if it's in your car already, and you can have cameras for your bird's eye view as well. And they've got all the goodies you need to travel safely with your caravan. Now you've seen the original Clearview mirror. This is our next gen mirror. Comes with all the features of the other one, plus more. Number one, it sits in closer to the car. A vehicle something like this, where you've got a canopy, the mirror is out far enough in the standard closed position so that you can see clear down the side of your canopy. When you slide it out there for towing, back in there for cruising. You have a category 5, and if you order it, you can also have a category 6 indicator. You can have electrics up here or manual if you've got an old Patrol or something like that. You can have heating on the top glass and you can have heating on the lower glass. If you want heaters, you can have blind spot monitoring, you can have cameras. We have a pop-out plate in the bottom of the mirror and we can just set the camera into it. It's an easy install and you use the original cameras out of your original Toyota, Nissan or Mitsubishi mirrors. For any more information on all of our products, go to clearviewaccessories.com.au.